Okay, but the zodiac is the zodiacal constellation. This is a fundamental error and it is not true at all. As proof, everyone who believes that zodiac signs are constellations, ask them the science behind it. They cannot tell you anything logically sound. I have shown you right here. Listen, it literally says the zodiac itself being a mathematical division of an astronomical circle. That's it. Has only ever been divided in 12 equally spaced zodiac signs. Look, the words constellation and sign depict different things. This is why I'm trying to show you a constellation is not a sign. One is visible, the other communicates information. I'm gonna be really honest with you. To understand the zodiac, you need to understand math. I've taken calculus 1, 2, 3, differential equations. I have had to find derivatives of trinomial functions. It's very evil, wicked. All these people who don't understand the difference between the zodiac and constellations, they probably are not good at math. I'm sorry, no offense. So I want to make it clear, this is the zodiac. It is not a constellation. This invisible belt cannot be seen in the sky. It is mathematically calculated. And using the zodiac, this brings me to my next topic. A lot of people made my previous video tropical versus sidereal, when the whole point of that video was to show you the difference between constellations and zodiac signs. I actually like nakshatras and Vedic astrology. Division charts are cool. We just take those calculations and we base them on tropical calculations. The reason why sidereal charts are going to sometimes be accurate based on tropical charts is because the houses never change. So if I look at a divisional chart, the houses are going to be in the same place versus in a tropical chart. And if we were looking at personality profiling, they're going to be, until we start to do transits and predictions, then you start to see how off it is. But I'm not going to speak on people's experience studying and using sidereal. I'm just going to talk facts. Okay? Basically, if you practice natal chart readings with sidereal astrology, you're using a clock that's like 3 hours off. Somebody was arguing with me asking, how do you measure transits based off of the zodiac? How is it consistent? And this is the point I need. The precession of the equinox does not make tropical astrology inaccurate. And I will prove it to you right here, right now. If tropical astrology is inaccurate, then I need any of you to prove to me on the spring equinox and the fall equinox in the Northern Hemisphere every March 20th, why do we have equal day and equal night? Boom. Why is it that every year we have equal day and equal night during the equinox? Why is it during every October we have equal day and equal night? Why is it during every solstice we come into the peak of either night or day? Why? That is science. The faithful 1 degree transit of the sun on its ecliptic path. Look at it. You have a band of 6 inches top to bottom like your belt where the planets wobble through. And the Earth's equator. This is science, guys. This is not just my opinion. I'm not just getting this on the internet. Look up, get a telescope. It's really right there. That creates the seasons. As long as that's there, this is all imaginary. It's not visible. We are able to divide this mathematically. Every 90 degrees, every 90 days is 3 months. That's a season. That's why we call tropical astrology seasonal astrology. We don't base it on constellations because constellations are not 30 degrees each. You have certain constellations that are more than 30 degrees. They're longer because they're not zodiac signs. They just share names with the zodiac. So when we have that equal day and equal night, faithfully, if I'm wrong, then the next March 20th, we won't have equal day, equal night. But you know that's bullshit. When we have equal day, equal night, 0 degrees Aries, March 20th, every year, guess what constellation the sun will be? Pisces, because the constellations have wobbled, right? Or the precession of the equinox has moved where the constellations usually. So that means, quite literally, the time will have shifted. It's not going to be 12 faithful. So if you're using sidereal, you're going to be late to that bus because your clock is off. So you will never hear anyone who swears on sidereal account for that. You will hear people compromise and say you can use both. Some people will say like sidereal is good for your soul. Tropical is really your ego. I think that's bullshit. It's really just tropical. I'm going based off of over 10 years of real people and real transit reports and real accuracy. Not, oh, it resonates with me. This is what feels right. I've never met anyone who believes this. Give me actual science. I am giving you literal math and facts. So, the reason why, once again, tropical astrology is accurate is because it's based off of the sun's ecliptic path, the Earth's equator, that creates the seasons. And until you see spring not be spring, I want any of you to give me proof that March 20th of every year on the northern hemisphere, we don't have equal day, equal night. As long as we have equal day, equal night, tropical's legit.